Hey, this is a quick video on how to remove a section from your folding walking poles. If you pull the sections apart, you'll see the bungee, and then you'll see this plastic section that the bungee goes through with a hole in it. You're going to want to grab that with a set of needle nose pliers, and then this section in here will lefty-loosey and disconnect. You don't want to let go because it'll, pop back up into the pole. So what I do is I bend the pole. I get my needle nose pliers and I pinch down securely on that section with the hole in it where the bungee's going through. See that section? Needle nose pliers grab that, just so with one hand you're holding that. And then what you're going to do is go lefty-loosey, and this is going to come out, and that's why you don't want to let go with the needle nose pliers. This comes out, keep going lefty-loosey, and it comes out all the way. And then what you'd want to do, so that's what just came out, you'd want to go down a section to here, do the same thing, remove that, and once you remove that one, you take the threading from the one below and you'd put it back in here. So you essentially just take a section out and then screw the section back in. Like that. And then you'd let go and you would have removed a section of the pole.